Hello friends, today's topic is one of the very interesting and simplest poem of the 10th standard. Name of the poem is Basket Full of Moonlight. Let's start. In the poem, a small child in a village wants his father return home early and safely from the city to tell him stories. So he requests the moon to give him seeds of moonlight to show them to lighten the dark route from the city to village. Actual poem is in a Dogri language and the poem is translated into English by widely published writer Sunil Sharma. He is the recipient of UK-based Destiny Poets Inaugural Poet of the Year Award 2012. O moon, give me moonlight, basket full or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. हे चंद्रा, मला एखाद दोन टोपल्या भरून चंद्रप्रकाश दे किंवा चंद्रप्रकाशाच्या बिया दे. That there is no such thing like basket full of moonlight. And you can't put moonlight in the basket. Also, there is no seeds of moonlight. Actually, the poem is written in the point of view of a child. The child is so innocent and doesn't know you can't put moon in a basket. Okay, but why that child wants the seeds of moonlight? See. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to show many small moons of light. शहरापासून गावापर्यंत रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूला मला छोट्या छोट्या त्या चंद्राच्या बिया पेरायच्या आहेत. Okay, here the word to sow means to plant a seed. बिया पेरणे असा अर्थ आहे या शब्दाचा. The whole village goes to the city daily to work and it becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. Okay, the village goes to the city for daily work. It means every day the villagers going to the city. दररोज आपल्या रोजच्या कामासाठी संपूर्ण गाव शहरामध्ये जात असतं. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. And what happens? It becomes dark on its way because the village is far away from the city. गाव हे शहरापासून खूप दूर असल्यामुळं घरी परतताना त्यांना अंधार व्हायचा. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. वाट अवघड आहे आणि वाटेत सर्प, विंचू अशा प्रकारचे प्राणी सुद्धा आहेत. Neither bus nor cart flies. बस किंवा गाडी असे कोणतेही वाहन येणे जाण्यासाठी उपलब्ध नाहीये. Here, what is meant by flies? It means to go and fro. इकडून तिकडे ये जा करणे अशा अर्थाचा हा शब्द आहे. It means the condition of a road is very bad. The road is very tough and no other vehicles are available to come and go to the city. When my father returns home, I am asleep and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. माझे बाबा रात्री उशिरा घरी येतात तेव्हा मी झोपलेलो असतो आणि माझे बाबा सकाळी लवकर जेव्हा शहरामध्ये कामासाठी निघून जातात तेव्हा देखील मी उठलेलो नसतो, म्हणजेच तेव्हा देखील मी झोपलेलोच असतो. Now we know that what is wrong in this child's life. The child is saying by the time my father comes home I am already sleeping, and when he early goes in the morning I am still asleep. And what is wrong here that the child cannot spend time with his father, and the child is thinking that all it is happening because of that tough road. That's why child again prays to the moon that moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan I am to light the dark route so that my father returns early. मला एक टोपलीवर चंद्रप्रकाश उधार दे, कारण तो अंधारा मार्ग मला उजळून टाकायचा आहे, म्हणजे माझे बाबा लवकर घरी येतील. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. मलाही त्यांच्याकडून परीकथा आणि गोष्टी ऐकायच्या आहेत. Okay, this is not the story of that particular child. I think so many facing this problem in their daily life. So again and again he is praying to the moon that, "Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I am to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path." हे चंद्रा, मला टोपलीवर प्रकाश दे, मला रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूला या चंद्राच्या बिया पेरायच्या आहेत. So it is nice imaginating poem about a child wanting to light the dark road with the seeds of moonlight. That's it. Hopefully you liked this video, and if you liked it, please share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest video notification. Thank you.